Unleash your inner athlete, biohacking your way to fitness. Imagine transforming your workout. Picture yourself unlocking performance levels you never thought possible. This is biohacking, and it's about to revolutionize the way you train. Biohacking is about taking control of your body. It's about using science and technology to get fitter, stronger, and healthier. It's about pushing your limits and becoming the best version of yourself. Are you ready to unleash your inner athlete? Are you ready to take your workouts to the next level? Let's get started! Decoding biohacking. Science meets self-improvement. Biohacking might sound complicated, but it's really about understanding your body better. It's a blend of science and self-improvement, where you use data and technology to enhance your physical and mental well-being. Imagine having the power to optimize your health by simply paying attention to the signals your body gives you and using modern tools to interpret those signals. It's about using simple techniques to improve your health and fitness. From tracking your daily activities to monitoring your diet, biohacking helps you make informed decisions. By keeping a close eye on your daily habits, you can identify patterns and make adjustments that lead to better health outcomes. Think of your body as a machine. To make it run smoothly, you need to give it the right fuel and maintenance. This means eating nutritious food, staying active, and taking care of your mental health. Just like a car needs regular oil changes and high-quality fuel, your body needs consistent care and the right nutrients to function at its best. That's what biohacking is all about. It's a holistic approach to health that combines modern science with traditional wellness practices. By integrating the latest scientific research with age-old wisdom, biohacking offers a comprehensive strategy for achieving optimal health. We're talking about things like tracking your sleep, staying hydrated, and understanding how these factors impact your overall health. Sleep and hydration are fundamental aspects of well-being, and by monitoring them, you can gain insights into how they affect your energy levels, mood, and performance, and helping your body recover after a tough workout. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself, and biohacking provides tools to optimize this process. Techniques like foam rolling, cryotherapy, and yoga can significantly enhance your recovery, reducing soreness and preventing injuries. These are simple changes with big results. Small adjustments in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your health and performance. By making incremental changes, you can build sustainable habits that contribute to long-term well-being. Biohacking is about experimenting and finding what works best for you. It's a personalized journey where you test different methods and track your progress. Everyone's body is unique, so what works for one person might not work for another. The key is to be curious and open-minded, willing to try new things and learn from your experiences. It's about listening to your body and giving it what it needs to thrive. By paying attention to your body's signals, you can make better choices and achieve your health goals. Whether it's adjusting your diet, changing your workout routine, or incorporating mindfulness practices, biohacking empowers you to take control of your health and live your best life. Mastering the basics: sleep, hydration, and recovery. Let's start with the fundamentals. Good sleep is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Hydration is key for optimal performance. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. Give your body time to rest and rebuild with stretching, foam rolling, and good nutrition. These basic steps will set you up for success on your biohacking journey. Remember, consistency is key. Level up your routine. Simple biohacks for beginners. Ready to take it up a notch? Let's dive into some easy yet effective biohacks that can elevate your fitness journey. These simple strategies can seamlessly fit into your daily routine and provide noticeable benefits. Let's explore some simple biohacking techniques for beginners. These methods are designed to be easy to implement and can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting out, these tips can help you optimize your health and performance. Cold showers might sound daunting, but they can boost circulation and reduce inflammation. They also help in improving your mood and energy levels. The initial shock of cold water can invigorate your senses and leave you feeling refreshed and alert. Start with a short burst of cold water at the end of your shower and gradually increase the time. This gradual approach helps your body adapt to the cold. Over time, you may find that you can tolerate longer periods of cold water, reaping even more benefits. Intermittent fasting is another popular biohack. It's not just about skipping meals, it's about creating a balanced eating schedule. By controlling when you eat, you can help your body manage energy more efficiently. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. This can lead to better metabolic health. Additionally, intermittent fasting can promote cellular repair processes and may even extend your lifespan. Remember, these are just a few examples. There are many more techniques out there waiting to be discovered. From optimizing your sleep patterns to experimenting with different diets, the possibilities are endless. The world of biohacking is vast, so explore and find what works best for you. Keep experimenting and enjoy the journey to a healthier you. Embrace the process and don't be afraid to try new things. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Track, analyze, and conquer. The power of data-driven fitness. One of the most important aspects of biohacking is tracking your progress. How else will you know what's working? Use fitness trackers or apps to monitor your sleep, heart rate, and activity levels. This data will provide valuable insights into your body's response to different techniques. Analyze the data and make adjustments as needed. Biohacking is all about experimentation and finding what works best for you. Remember, knowledge is power. By tracking your progress, you can take control of your fitness journey. Embrace the biohacking journey, your path to peak performance. Biohacking is not a quick fix, it's a lifestyle. It's about understanding your body and mind and making informed choices to enhance your overall well-being. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up to big results. These changes might seem minor at first, but over time, they create a significant impact on your health and performance. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. Remember, every step forward, no matter how small, is progress. It takes time for your body to adapt and respond to new techniques. Consistency is key, and with dedication, you'll see the results you desire. Embrace the journey and celebrate your successes along the way. Each milestone is a testament to your hard work and commitment. Every step you take towards optimizing your health and fitness is a victory. These victories, no matter how small, build up your confidence and motivation. So, are you ready to unleash your full potential? Visualize your goals, stay focused, and keep pushing forward. Start biohacking your workouts today and experience the transformative power of science-backed fitness. The journey to peak performance begins with a single step. If you're a fitness enthusiast looking to optimize your performance, then you need to explore advanced biohacking tools and techniques. Advanced biohacking tools and tracking results. In this session, we will delve into the cutting-edge tools and techniques that can take your biohacking journey to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned biohacker or just starting out, these advanced tools can provide you with the insights and data you need to optimize your health and performance. As you continue your biohacking journey, incorporating advanced tools can significantly enhance your progress. These tools are designed to give you a deeper understanding of your body's needs and responses, allowing you to make more informed decisions about your health and fitness regimen. First, let's explore wearable fitness technology. Devices like Oura rings, heart rate monitors, and fitness trackers are becoming increasingly popular. These wearables provide real-time data on various aspects of your physical activity, sleep patterns, and overall well-being. By monitoring your daily activities and physiological responses, these devices can help you identify patterns and trends that might not be immediately obvious. For example, you can track how different workouts affect your heart rate or how your sleep quality changes with different routines. These tools offer valuable insights that help you make informed decisions about your health and fitness. By analyzing the data collected, you can adjust your routines to better align with your goals, whether that's improving your sleep, increasing your physical activity, or optimizing your overall well-being. Next, consider integrating advanced practices such as red light therapy, cryotherapy, and personalized nutrition into your routine. These practices can provide additional benefits that complement your fitness and health goals. Red light therapy, for instance, can aid in muscle recovery and reduce inflammation. This can be particularly beneficial after intense workouts, helping you recover faster and get back to your training routine with less downtime. Red light therapy can aid in muscle recovery and reduce inflammation, making it a valuable tool for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. By reducing inflammation, you can also potentially lower your risk of injury and improve your overall performance. While cryotherapy can boost metabolism and improve athletic performance, this involves exposing your body to extremely cold temperatures for a short period, which can help reduce muscle soreness, enhance recovery, and even boost your metabolism. Personalized nutrition, tailored to your unique genetic makeup and lifestyle, ensures you are fueling your body optimally. By working with a nutritionist or using advanced genetic testing, you can create a meal plan that supports your specific health and fitness goals. Tracking your progress is crucial for maximizing the benefits of biohacking. Utilize fitness apps, keep a detailed journal, and monitor body metrics to gauge your improvements. This allows you to see what's working and what needs adjustment. By consistently tracking your progress, you can make data-driven decisions that enhance your biohacking efforts. Whether it's adjusting your workout intensity, changing your diet, or incorporating new recovery techniques, having detailed records helps you stay on track. Consistent measurement and adjustments based on your data will optimize your biohacking impact over time. This iterative process of testing, measuring, and adjusting is key to achieving long-term success in your biohacking journey. Building a successful biohacking routine requires consistency, patience, and a willingness to experiment. It's important to remember that biohacking is a marathon, not a sprint. Gradually increasing the intensity of your practices ensures that you are continually challenging your body and making progress. Start with basic techniques and gradually incorporate more advanced tools and practices as you become more comfortable. As you become more comfortable, begin to integrate more advanced tools and practices. This approach allows you to build a solid foundation before moving on to more complex biohacking strategies. As you become more comfortable with these tools and techniques, you'll find that they become an integral part of your routine. The more you use them, the more you'll understand how your body responds and what adjustments you need to make. Incorporate high-tech solutions to further enhance your results. From advanced fitness devices to cutting-edge recovery techniques, these tools can help you push the boundaries of what's possible and achieve new levels of performance. Remember, biohacking is a personalized journey. What works for one person might not work for another. It's important to listen to your body and make adjustments based on your unique needs and responses. Be patient and persistent, and you'll discover the methods that best suit your needs. Biohacking is about continuous improvement and finding what works best for you. Experiment with different techniques and tools, and don't be afraid to make changes if something isn't working. The key is to stay committed and keep pushing forward. By leveraging advanced biohacking tools and diligently tracking your progress, you'll be well on your way to achieving peak performance. These tools provide the data and insights you need to make informed decisions and optimize your routine. Embrace the technology, stay committed, and watch as your efforts transform your health and fitness. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are well worth it. As you continue to refine your biohacking practices, you'll see significant improvements in your health and fitness. The combination of advanced tools, consistent tracking, and personalized adjustments will help you reach your goals. The future of biohacking is here, and it's time to take full advantage of it. With the rapid advancements in technology, there are more tools and resources available than ever before. Utilize these tools to their fullest potential and stay ahead of the curve. The more you embrace these technologies, the more you'll be able to optimize your health and performance. Let's push the boundaries of what's possible and unlock your ultimate potential. The journey of biohacking is one of continuous learning and improvement. By staying committed and leveraging the latest tools and techniques, you can achieve peak performance and ultimate fitness success. The possibilities are endless, and your potential is limitless. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to take control of your fitness and push beyond your limits, make sure to subscribe to Upliftube. We share videos weekly to keep you inspired and equipped with the best strategies for fitness, productivity, and personal growth. Tap the bell so you never miss out, and let us know in the comments which biohacking technique you're most excited to try.